Boys, after completion of first exercise, you need to remember some identities. Which are identities? I think you studied in 7th standard. I think you remember. If you not remember, just go through this identity. A plus b whole square equals to what? Expansion of this a plus b whole square equals to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. And one more identity, a minus b whole square equals to what? Here plus is there, means everywhere plus here. Here minus means just we have to replace this plus 2ab by minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. Everything same. Okay? Clear? Or we can replace here only. Here minus sign is there, means here only minus. Clear? A plus b whole square equals to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab plus, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equals to what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. And one more identity, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Using three identities, we can easily find out in coming. Okay, we can find out the factors of given expression. We will discuss one by one problem. Okay, we'll find out the factors of m square minus 16. How to find out the factors of this expression? We'll take the use of one identity. Which identity? A square minus b square equals to what? A plus b into a minus b. I'll take the use of this identity. How? We will come to know here. M square, this m square can be written as m the whole square. M whole square means m square only will get minus sign. I am writing according to, with the help of identity. Then only we will get the factors of this expression. Okay. This m square can be written as m whole square minus this 16 is a perfect square number, right? Then this 16 can be written as 4 whole square. Clear? Now we got in the form of a square minus b square. You apply square, you will get the same answer. M square, this is 4 square is 16. Next, here a means m, b means 4. Here a equals to m and b equals to 4. Now, expansion of a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b, right? Here a square minus b square is there. Then how to write this one? A plus b. Clear? And a minus b. We got the factors of this expression. The factors are m plus 4 and m minus 4 are the factors of what? M square minus 16. Just we have to what? Use identity. We have to write in this form a square minus b square. M whole square. M square can be written as m whole square. Both are same. Minus this 16 can be written as 4 whole square. I want to express, okay, like this, a square minus b square. Here a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. I got the factors of this expression. It's very simple. Okay, one more problem, same problem. This m raised to 4 minus 256, they are given. M raised to 4, we have to find out the factors of m raised to 4 minus 256, right? This m raised to 4 can be written as, I'll write this m raised to 4. I have to find out the factors here. How to express this m raised to 4? M raised to 4 means I have to get 4 solutions, right? Factors. But we will find out the factors easily. This m raised to 4 can be written as m square the whole square. In exponents, remember this law, a raised to m whole raised to m. Very simple. Okay. We expressed 4 as m square the whole square. Clear? Very simple. Sorry, minus. This 256 is a perfect square number of 16. 16 whole square. 16 whole square means 256. 16 into 16, 256. Okay? And now I got this in the form of a square minus b square. Correct? A value is m square, b value is 16. This a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Here a value is how much? A value is m square, b value is 16. Clear? M square whole square, a square. Here a value is m square. Okay? It's just our arrangement to get raised to 4. 2 2s are 4 you will get. It's just our arrangement to get in the form of a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. We remember a square. This is all a square minus b value is 16 whole square. A square minus b square. This can be written as a plus b into a minus b. M square plus 16 and m square minus 16 are the factors of this expression. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, last, this one is different from the last problem. Okay, it's very simple. Here they are given quadratic expression. Okay, this one is quadratic expression. We have to find out quadratic expression means by factorization method. Okay, it's a new word for you people, a new concept also. Please understand, very simple problem. Okay, in last two problems we discussed on the basis of a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Here by splitting the middle term. What? We have to split this middle term. How to find out the factors we'll see here. Here I'll just consider, first we have to consider first we have to concentrate on coefficient of a square. Coefficient of a square is nothing but, here nothing is there means 1, right? We have to multiply the coefficient of a square and the constant term. How much is there here? Nothing is there means 1. Here nothing means 1 into 16. We have to multiply this into this constant term. How much you will get? 16. You factorize this 16. Okay, here how much is there in middle? 8. 4 4s are how much? 16. We have to just factorize this 16 and how to get 8 here? Add and subtract this both the factors. Plus 4 how much? 8 you will get. Okay, after factorizing this number you have to add and subtract to get the middle term. Okay, idana factorize madidre 4 4 bantu, 4 4 bandre middle term du add matte subtract madidre middle term barabeku. Plus 4 according to sign we have to adjust here. Clear? Here 4 4s are 16 we got. We have to add and subtract to get the middle number. How much is there here? Plus 8. Now rewrite expression as a square plus 4a plus 4a plus 16. 4a plus 4a 16 only. Sorry, 4a plus 4a 8a. Okay, just b. Okay, we have to rewrite this with the help of both the factors. 4a plus 4a equals to 8a. Now after writing this, next step is just we have to find out the factors, right? By which method we have to find out the factors? I'll go for grouping method. First 2 and next 2. Clear? In first 2, is there any common? A is the common. Here A 2 are there, here only 1. I'll take 1A outside. In the first 2 only we have to concentrate. Here A, here 2, here 1. 1A I will take outside. 1A remains. Plus A into A is correlated. After multiply, we have to get the same value, right? That's why I am taking A outside. Here one A remains. Here you take A outside. What remains? 4 remains. Plus here, is there any common? Both the side A is not there. And in numerical 4 and 16. 4 I will take outside. Why? Both are divisible by 4. And after taking A 4 outside, A remains plus 4 4s are 16. Now in both the term, in first term and second term, is there any common? A plus 4 is the common. Here also A plus 4. Here also A plus 4. What remains after taking A plus 4 common outside? Here A remains. Here A remains plus in the second term what remains after taking A plus 4 outside? 4 remains. Then what are the factors of this expression? A plus 4 and A plus 4. Why we got 2 factors here? How much is there here? Power 2. Okay, is a quadratic expression. Linear means you will get only 1. Here 2 is the means it's a quadratic. That's why we got 2 factors. Means you can solve. You will get 2 solutions of the same expression. This is the way how to solve, how to find out the factors of given quadratic expression. Okay. Okay, is also same type problem. Is also quadratic expression only. Okay. How to find out the factors of this quadratic expression? Same method. First, you have to concentrate on coefficient of first term. Here nothing is there means here p square. Expression I will say p square minus 10p plus 25. How much is the coefficient of p square? Nothing is there means 1. And after getting the coefficient of first term, now to multiply the last term. Okay, 1 into 25, 25. Factorize this 25 in such a way we have to get minus 10. Okay, first we will find out the factors of this 25. Minus 10 you have to remember. How much you have to get? Minus 10 after getting factors, and we have to find after getting factors we have to add and subtract to get minus 10. Remember. Then 25. Factors of 25 are 5 5s are. Now I want minus 10 in middle. Minus 10. Okay, adjust. Here minus is there. Minus. Here plus means minus 5 plus 5 it becomes 0. Then here plus here minus again it becomes 0. Then what to do? Consider minus sign both the side. It becomes minus 10 only. We got minus 10 here. We have to adjust here. Okay, on the basis of this middle term. 5 5s are 25. Here minus 10 is there. Minus 5, minus 10. Okay. Next, rewrite this expression. P square minus 5p plus 25. Minus 5p minus 10p only. Okay. After writing this second step, next step is how to find out factors by grouping method, right? First 2 and next 2. In first 2 is there any common? P is the common. Here also P, here also P. Here 2p, here 1p means 1p remains. Here p you take outside. Minus 5 remains. Okay. P common, 1p remains. P you take outside, minus 5 remains. Here, is there any common? Here p is not there. Here 5, here 25. I will take 5 outside. Why? 5 and 25 are divisible by 5 table. And after taking minus 5 outside, p remains. And to get positive sign or to multiply by negative sign. Minus into minus plus. Okay. 5 5s are 25. And first and second term, is there any common? P minus 5 is the common. Okay. Here p minus 5, here also p minus 5. I'll take p minus 5 outside. What remains after taking p minus 5 common outside? In first term p remains. Here in second term minus 5 remains. P minus 5 and p minus 5 are the factors of this expression. This is the way how to find out a factors of quadratic expression in your exercise. We are already started. This is 14.2 only. Okay. You please try to solve remaining problems. Okay, remaining 3 are there. You try. Okay, and we'll continue with this exercise in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please copy all the problems to your fair book. Neatly you write. My dear diamonds. Thank you.